Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, so it says, do store brand chocolate chip cookies have fewer chips per cookie than Keebler Chips Deluxe chocolate chip cookies? To find out, a student randomly selected 21 cookies of each brand and counted the number of chips in the cookies. The results are shown below. So the first thing I wanted you to do is make a relative frequency histogram for each using 4 classes of equal width. So for Keebler, I am going to make a histogram of this data, and I have to do 4 bins. So there are my 4 bins for Keebler. And then I'm going to do my store brand. And I do have to fix these because I do have to add the percentages to it. But let me first do the bins, 4 bins of equal width. And this is for store brand. And so I also have to add the percentages in. So let's see, percentages are, oops. Oh, I know. Base end, grid line. So I did that. I will find it because I did, oop, not that, not that. I do, however, like that. And okay, I know where it was. Histogram, statistical. And so I can also take this data and I can compare it. It also wanted me to do insert and box and whiskers plot. So here's my box and whiskers plot. Number of chocolate chip cookies, number of chocolate chips in the cookies. So that is my box and whiskers plot. So for this, I know that there is a percentage here, and I will find it. It could be here, axes, option. I know, number format. Here we go. Percentage. Nope. Okay. So for this, it did say that it had some other questions, but the other questions were explain the similarities discuss the center, spread, and shape of the 2 distributions of the number of chips in the 2 brands of cookies. Make sure to label the graphs in appropriate title and X and Y axes labels. So these are the bins, and so in these bins for the labels, for Axes labels, let me just add those labels. So this is the frequency. And this is the number of chocolate chips. And same with this one. So this is the frequency. And this is the number of chocolate chips. And so for these, I'm just going to move this down for a second. As far as the center, the spread, and the shape, for the center, I would say that the center or the median would be somewhere between, so there's 8 here. It would be between 23 and 26 chips. Oops. And that is for the Keebler cookies. The center, oops, for the store brand would be between, and I really like this display. It would be between, so this is 11 and this is 10. So between, for the store brand, 20 and 24.5 chips. And the spread, I'm noticing, is 20 to 23. Oops. So 20 to 23 chips. And then the spread here is between 16 to 33 chips. The shape of this distribution of the Keebler is skewed right. And the shape for the store brand is, it's almost a normal distribution. And so then for the creating the box plot for each brand so that the box plots appear on the same graphs, if you notice for the median of the Keebler is about 25, and the median for the store brand is less than 25. So does it appear to be a difference in the number of chocolate chips per cookie? Yes, it does. I would say on average, Keebler with the median and the spread is more consistent with the amount of chocolate chips in a cookie. So I would say that Keebler is more consistent. And then I will let you find the mean. Oh no, I can do that. So the mean for Keebler is, oops, wrong one. So that is going to be, if I highlight this, the mean for Keebler, that is definitely not right, is 25.3. The mean for the store brand is, let's see, 24.4. And then the standard deviation for Keebler is going to be, if I insert this, put this here, is 3.95, and then the standard deviation for the store brand is going to be 4.5. So as you can see, the Keebler is more consistent. So I hope that this video helps with the comparisons. This is the middle school math teacher signing out.